Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Pramod. You are watching Unboxing. Today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi's 55-inch 4K LED Smart TV. Let's do it. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, and you never miss it. You may miss the update when I upload new video. Coming to the specification of this TV, it has 55-inch 4K LED panel, and it's a edge light panel, not backlight. And it has a 2GB of RAM, 8GB of internal memory, and 64-bit quad-core M-Logic MediaTek processor. And Xiaomi has installed its own OS called Patchwork, and this is really doing great job and in performance, and it supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. And coming to some other features like Bluetooth remote, IR blaster, it adds a plus point for this TV. I'm using this TV as my regular TV. I don't feel any heat issues or lag during using the UI. It is really performing great. I'm really feel lucky to get this awesome product. And you have so much doubt regarding to the 4K content. Does it play really 4K in it? We see H.264 and H.265 format only. When I play 4K video using laptop, pen drive and even hard disk, it doesn't play the. Later I called to the customer care and they clearly mentioned that it only plays certain formats that clearly mentioned in Xiaomi's website. Anyway, in my opinion, this is really a flagship killer TV of this 2018. And only I didn't like this in this TV is doesn't have Play Store. Anyway, you can sideload the apps through pen drive, but it missing